Hi, my lovely Year 5 students. Welcome back to your math teacher, Ms. Shiva. Okay, today we're going to talk about dividing whole numbers by thousands. Divide 2 by 1,000. So we're looking at the place value that we have. The 2 goes here on the ones, and then we have tens, hundreds, and thousands, which are the place value after the decimal place. So after the decimal place, the place value goes by tenths, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, so now we do 2 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 0.002. How do we get that? So we have, I'm going to go do it right here for you. We have number 2. And then we have to go back. When we're dividing, we're going back to the left. Division for decimal, we're moving back to the left. So we have to move back how many times? Because it's thousands, we have to go back to the left 3 times. So we're going to do it 1, 2, 3. So the decimal goes here. So we put 0, 0, and then decimal here, and then we put 0, 1 before the decimal as well. So the point is, when we divide a whole number by 1,000, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. When we're doing dividing, we always go back to left. Let's do some more examples to get familiar with this. I'm going to do the practice 8, number 1. Divide 4 divided by 100. So another method that I would like to introduce to you that you might find it useful. So when we have a whole number like 4, write it as 4.0. Because 4.0 is exactly like writing it as 4. The reason I put it as decimal is to make it easier for you to see that how I'm going to move the decimal to the left. Then I'm going to move the decimal 2 times to the left. Why? Because I'm dividing by 100. 100 means 2 times. So this is my decimal. I'm moving it 1. No, 2. So it goes 1, 0 here. I'm moving my decimal here as I showing in an arrow. So it will be 0.04 because I moved it 2 times to the left. Now let's do B. 4 divided by 1,000. Let's do it the same way. Instead of writing 4, I'm going to write a 4.0. I can do it with a different color so you can see it better. This is my decimal. I'm going to move it how many times? Because it's 1,000, I have to move it 3 times to the left. 1 time. So 0. 2 times. 3 times. Like that. And then just for checking, so we get 0.004. Now we're going to check. See, 1, 2, 3, thousands have 3 zeros. So it means 3 times to the left. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Then I have my decimal point. Then I have my 0. So it is correct. Okay, let's do number C. It might be confusing for you, but the more example we do, you get more familiar with how we do this. So we have 52 divided by 100. So this can be a little bit easier to see. 52, there's no decimal, right? It's a whole number, 52, divided by 100. Divided, then as soon as I see division, I know I have to move left. I see 100, means I have to move left 2 times. So imagine the decimal is here. So I go 1 time, not here, 2 times. So the decimal goes just before 5. So it will be 0.52. Now I have 52 divided by 1,000. So I'm going to write down my 52. Then, because it's division, I have to move left. How many times? 1,000 means 3 times. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So, just going to erase that for you. 52. 1, 2, 3. So it goes 0.052. I want you to do number E and F, but I did it already on the paper for you so you can see the answers. But I want you to try first and then check your answers with mine. And then there's a very good exercise on number 2 that you have the numbers and then you have to just divide by 10, 100, and 1,000. So make sure you do this exercise. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, comment in under my video. I will answer your questions.